What do you mean? Obviously,
All right, ladies and gentlemen, you can see the fort of St. Elmo. The Bishop is known as the French Curtain. St. Elmo was the only fort conquered by the Turks during the siege of 1565. During the siege of this fort, around 1,800 Maltese and knights, they was lost their lives, but Turks they was lost 8,000 men. During the 19th century, the British ordered further the bastions to improve the defense further. Inside the fort, you can find two chapels, one dedicated to Saint-Anne's, the other being by the Grand Master Peralus. Here you can see the breakwater that it was built by the British in the 1903 to protect the British fleet from northwest and northeast gates. I would like to welcome you in the largest natural harbour that we have in the Mediterranean Sea with a shoreline of 9.5 miles. The main entrance of the Grand Harbour, it is 400 meters wide. The average depth of the Grand Harbour is for about 30 to 35 meters. You can see this bridge, ladies and gentlemen, that unfortunately it is not the original one, because the original one it was destroyed by the Italian Evos during the Second World War.
oh Lord.
So this bridge that you can see nowadays, it was built by the government about 18 years ago. The point that there is in the middle, it is the original from the other bridge.